good to go.
Good.
Keep in mind that this hill is going to try to make the tail wheel slide down, so you're probably going to just let it start sliding and then hit it with that right foot. Yep, probably just right foot, hold. Just hold it, it'll take a while. There you go. Alright. She's going to want to skip and bounce on a day like today on the takeoff because it's going to be windy, so just you're going to have to really push her.
Okay. Make sure tail wheel straight.
Yep.
Crosswind aileron to the left.
Neutralize it.
Neutralize it, and then full power.
Full power. Then get ready to push, and keep in mind you're going to have to push while working out your wind correction.
Alright.
So there it is, push and hold, keep working that foot, keep working, there you go, hold, good, looking good, don't look at your airspeed, wait until it starts to bounce. There's one, here it comes, alright, she's ready. Ease her up.
Nice.
Good, actually did really well.
Sweet.
Alrighty.
Yeah, it's not as hard as I thought it would be.
Nah. It just takes a lot, it's a lot busier.
Yeah, that's true.
Also, it's a little bumpy today, so get ready. The top of these trees are nice and choppy.
Yeah.
Our cowling's popping open on my side.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
My airplane.
Yeah, I have an airplane.
It's not a big deal.
Okay.
We're just gonna fly nice and slowly.
Alright.
Come on, baby. Come on, don't you go anywhere. It's fine.
Okay.
Trying to keep the power a little lower for us here.
Was there like a... I heard like a click when I closed both of them.
I guess we didn't just close them enough.
Okay.
We're gonna have to extend this a little bit.
Okay.
It's because we're a little low here.
Okay.
We're good, don't worry about it.
Cool.
That was a little scary, huh?
Yeah. Love it.
Yeah, I saw it lift up right as we lifted off, and I was like, uh-oh. It looks like our cowling's gonna pop.
Yeah. I'm surprised it's like still really stable.
Just gotta pretend like it's not even there.
Yep. Have this all on video too.
Nice. Got a nice emergency video there.
Gonna be a YouTube trending video. Nice.
Gonna make the landing nice if it's gonna go on YouTube. Alright, and then we'll just hit it with a little turn off here. And we're good!